finds itself in a stormy flight with the aviation sector crashing. Hello and welcome to Inventiva. This is Palak Yadav presenting to you today's big news. The nation's largest domestic airline company, InterGlobe Aviation Ltd, experienced a fifth straight quarterly loss as travel demand remained at a standstill due to COVID-19 pandemic. The airline company's consolidated net losses broadened to Rs 1147.16 crore rupees during the March quarter from 620 crore rupees during the December quarter and 1194 crore rupees losses in quarter to September. IndiGo had reported a profit of Rs 871 crore rupees during the March quarter in 2020 when the pandemic had still not impacted the economy as such. IndiGo's revenue fell by an alarming 26.3% to Rs 6,361.8 crore rupees on a yearly basis. For the year ending on 31st March 2021, InterGlobe Aviation Ltd reported a consolidated net loss of Rs 5,806 crore rupees, which has increased from Rs 233 crore rupees lost during the previous year. Revenue generated during financial year 2021 crashed 58% on an annual basis to 15,677 crore rupees. In a stock exchange notification, Ronojoy Datta, who is the Chief Executive Officer of IndiGo Airlines, stated that the year 2021 has been a difficult year with the revenues experiencing record low due to COVID-19. He has also stated that the company had started showing some recovery during December to February, and then again the revenue started slipping with the pandemic hitting the aviation industry with its second wave. The most favorite airline company of Indians, net debt rose by 31.4% to 29,859 crore rupees at the end of March 31, 2021. The airline's cash balance fell 8.9% to 18,568 crore rupees during the same period. With international flights to remain suspended till the 30th of June and limited operation of domestic flights, the aviation industry has been facing extreme turmoil since the pandemic started in 2020. With revenue from passengers drying up during the pandemic, airlines of the world overturned passengers' aircraft into temporary cargo carriers to make some money and avoid drowning. In India as well, airlines deployed dedicated freighters and even used overhead storage in plane cabins to deliver perishable cargo, most fruits and vegetables, and most important, medicines. The margins were very low as domestic air freight traffic fell by 74% and the international air freight traffic by 57% in April-June 2020. But airlines had few options. Flights was the only business operational and could fetch money. The aviation sector, which was once considered to be among the most glamorous and highly paid sectors, is now facing some extreme distress. Indian civil aviation industry was once considered as the third largest domestic civil aviation market in the world. The glory faded with the pandemic smashing the economy. The aviation sector contributed to about 3.5% of global GDP, serving employment to millions.